in this video by The Daily Eco, we'll explore 5 easy ways to consume moringa. So, let's get started. Moringa capsules. Moringa capsules offer a convenient way to take moringa. They are widely available at health stores, pharmacies, and even online retailers. Remember, moringa capsules are considered a dietary supplement, so be sure to read the product label carefully and follow the dosage instructions. Most capsules recommend a serving size of 1 or 2 capsules daily, typically at 200 milligrams each. Moringa powder. Making your own moringa powder requires some attention to detail. Here's how. Start by drying the moringa leaves for 4 days. Choose a well-ventilated location with indirect sunlight. Avoid storing them in direct afternoon sun, as this can promote fermentation or spoilage. After 4 days, check the leaves' dryness. Properly dried leaves will be a vibrant green and crumble easily, similar to oregano. Leaves that are still damp will appear darker. Once completely dry, you can simply rub the leaves together to create a fine powder. Store your homemade moringa powder in a cool, dry place. You can incorporate it into your diet by adding half to 1 tablespoon daily to juices, soups, coffees, or yogurt. Moringa tea. This is a straightforward way to enjoy moringa. Here's what you will need. 10 grams of moringa leaves and 250 milliliters or 1 cup of water. So bring the water to a boil in a pot over medium heat. Add the moringa leaves, cover the pot and simmer for 5 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy. You can consume up to 2 cups daily. But before we continue, let us put you to a test. How much moringa should be consumed in order to be effective? 200 milligrams, 400 milligrams, 600 milligrams. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Moringa oil. Moringa oil comes in 2 forms, store-bought or DIY. So here's what you'll need to make your own. 3/4 cup whole moringa seeds, 1/4 cup dried moringa leaves, virgin olive oil. Instructions. Grind the moringa seeds into a fine powder. Combine the seed powder with the dried leaves in a jar. Fill the jar with olive oil, ensuring everything is submerged. Store the mixture in a cool, dry place for 20 to 40 days. After steeping, strain the oil and bottle it for storage. Moringa oil can be enjoyed raw on salads. However, avoid using it for high-heat cooking like frying. Moringa seeds. Moringa seeds can also be consumed raw. Simply remove the shell and take them whole with a glass of water. The recommended daily intake is 2 to 3 seeds. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B, 400 milligrams. However, as research on moringa continues, it's always advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.